Right, we're well and truly into apple harvesting season, and you know the apples are ready when you gently lift them and they just come away, such as that. Again, this one here, just a gentle lift and it pulls away very easily. It's an excellent looking apple. And I've just been harvesting a few more beforehand, and there's quite a few left on my apple tree that need harvesting. And the reason why British apples taste so sweet is because of our cool season. They get the time to develop sweetness, sugars build up. So these apples are apples we've been harvesting for a week or so now, and there's still a few to pick. I'll get on with the rest of the harvest and we'll show you what my harvest bag looks like. Right, I've got most of the apples from the tree, and this particular one, I'm not really sure what variety it is, but nevertheless it's a really crunchy apple. It's got a slight tang to it, and there may well be people who recognise this variety, but because we don't do a lot of thinning, there are a number of apples which are not huge in size, but nevertheless there are a number that are decent. So that's the last of the apple harvest for this year. It's a substantial harvest, and you can see that my bag is pretty much full. So really pleased with that. Lots of people have commented, people who like growing. We've talked about the fact that this year the fruit trees seem to have produced a bumper harvest. So as you'll have seen in earlier videos during the year, we thought that we'd get a really good harvest, and it's panned out that way. So really pleased with that. I think just while I was doing this apple harvest, I had a bit of a re-evaluation of where I put some of my energy in growing, and whilst I'm not going to give up on growing and trying to grow exotics here in the northwest, I'm certainly going to give more time and effort into growing things that are suited to this climate. So apples are certainly something that grow really well. As I've said earlier, our climate with its cool season, longer cool season, means that around this time of the year when you're harvesting apples, they've had the time to develop the sugars they need, and they are sweeter. This particular apple type has got a bit of a tang to it, but it's quite delicious to eat. So as I've said before, apples are a fantastic fruit to grow on an allotment or in the back garden, and if space is an issue, then there are container sized apple trees that you can get that have been grafted onto dwarfing rootstock. So yeah, as you can see, this is a really substantial harvest. I'm so pleased with it, and if you are contemplating getting an apple tree, then I would recommend it. So thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, then please hit the subscribe button, and hopefully we'll see you next time.